everyone, welcome to the Lazy Chef. Today we're going to be making picnic pizza pinwheels, which is a great favourite of mine from when I was a little girl. My mum used to make them and they're absolutely delicious, and they're great for dinner, they're great cold, they're for packed lunches and picnics, and I think you'll really like them, so enjoy. So in my pan here I have 55 grams of butter and I'm going to melt it down. And then I am adding 115 grams of chopped bacon. And I'm going to cook that all up till it's nice and pink and soft. And then I'm throwing in 170 grams of chopped onion and a couple of handfuls of mixed peppers because I like a bit of pepper in my pizza. Give that a good old cook down with the bacon and get all the nice bacon fat flavours. Once that's done, you want to add 2 tablespoons of plain flour. And give that a mix in. This will be the thickening agent, because you don't want your sauce to be too runny or it just won't roll in the pastry. Give that a good mix through. Then a pinch of cinnamon, just a pinch. 1 teaspoon of paprika. Any paprika, I just like ordinary paprika. You can put smoked in if you like. I've also put some Italian herbs in this. I'm putting coconut aminos in, but you can use Worcester sauce, so a tablespoon of that. Or is it 2? Yeah, tablespoon. And 1 tin of chopped tomatoes. That's all going on in. Stir it all about, and you can season it at this point if you like. Bit of salt and pepper, nice bit of pepper. So then you need to cook it down till it's thickened, and then put it aside to cool off. Here we have 225 grams of flour, pinch of salt, 2 teaspoons of cream of tartar, and 1 teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda. Give them a good old mix up together there. And then we will be wanting how much butter? 42 grams of butter, 45 grams of butter in a minute. There we go, there's the butter. Throw it in, and then you need to rub it until it resembles fine breadcrumbs, is usually what the instructions say. And lift it up a bit because it gives it a bit of air. And you want a nice airy dough actually, which is what the cream and tartar and the bicarb do. Yeah, so I missed a bit out and forgot to show you to add the milk. You want to add 1/4 pint of milk, give it a good mix and turn it into this lovely looking dough here. A bit of flour. I couldn't find my wooden rolling pin, so I had to use a fondant icing rolling pin, which is a bit of a pain, but there you are. Needs must. So you want to roll it out into a nice long rectangle. You don't want to do it too thin. I made that mistake yesterday when I made them, and they and they weren't pizza pinwheels, they were pizza splats by the time they'd finished. Thank you, James, for that one. See, you can see it is a bit awkward with a little tiny rolling pin. There we go. There's our nice big square, rectangle. Just cut down the edges, make them a bit neater, because you don't want them hanging over the edge. I can't cut straight, look, I never could cut straight. It's ridiculous. Can't do anything straight. And there we are. Put your mixture in there. Oh, actually, I forgot to say, I actually used double the ingredients for the pastry base. I will rectify that in the ingredients list below. There we go, spread it all out nice. And then throw on as much cheese as you like. It says 3 ounces in the instructions, but of course, who stops at 3 ounces? I'm using cheddar here. You can use whatever cheese you like. Bit of mozzarella, that'll be fun. Make it a bit stringy. There, see, I just can't stop adding the cheese. Now you need to roll it. Oh, actually, yes, you need to wet the edges first, or it won't stick. Not too much, just enough. And then you want to start rolling carefully on the edge there, as you can see how I'm doing it. And very, very gently get that first roll in. And then we get a nice big sausage of pizza. Just press that edge gently so that it sticks. Bit more flour. And you want a nice sharp knife for this. Although I have seen people do this with tooth floss, cutting it with that, so I might have to give that a go one day. See, look, wonky, can't cut straight. And then just cut out, honestly, it doesn't matter what thickness, whatever thickness you like. And look, they come out quite pretty. Oh look, more cheese, surprise, surprise. The ones I made yesterday, I put some mozzarella on, which was kind of nice. And there they are, aren't they looking good? I'll put the oven times, etc. down there. Bit of basil to decorate, give it a bit of extra colour. And we're all done. So I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you make it. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you again soon. Bye. Mwah.